Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Manuel. I'm a Surfskate instructor in Ericeira, Portugal. And in today's video, I would love to share with you my top 5 tips and tricks on how to push properly on a Surfskate. Number 1. Place your front foot in a slight angle on top of the skateboard. The idea behind that is that you can always maintain the ability of steering, even during the pushing process. Second, quick and clean. Give a solid push to the back, place your back foot on the tail and rotate your front foot to its final position. Try not to get stuck in between all those moves. You want to make it a fast, quick, flowy move. Third, rotate your front foot over the center of your foot. If you rotate your front foot over the big toe, you will end up off-centered. The same if you rotate your front foot over the heel. So rotate your front foot over the center of your foot, so you end up centered in the middle of the skateboard. Number 4. Use your arms to gain more momentum. Every time you push to the back, you throw your arms to the front. You can do this with every inch of your body. As more weight you can throw towards the front while your back foot is pushing towards the back, as faster you will be after the push. Number 5. Push more towards the back than upwards. I want your back foot to gain a solid grip and then really push your back foot out towards the back. You want to gain forward momentum. You want your back foot to accelerate yourself towards the front. The front foot does the effort of pushing up and down. The back foot does the effort of gaining forward momentum and pushing towards the back and bringing your body towards the front. Training how to push will make you feel more confident on the skateboard, and you will just gain more routine and more repetitions, and then in the end you will feel that it's not that hard and pushing will just get something completely natural in your Surfskate.